Welcome to Nestify! Yan, nasa metro na kaming dalawa.
Vlogger.
Just waiting for Annabelle. For today's video, mga ka-Nestify, we'll be sharing to you our trip going to Abu Dhabi International Airport for our girls trip to Azerbaijan.
Doors closing.
So, nandito na kami sa Jebel Ali Metro Station. Ayan, guys. Siyempre, document natin yan, guys. Oh, nandito na tayo sa Jebel Ali. Connecting to ID and Batuta. So, ayan, mga ka-Nestify. As I've mentioned, ito yung Jebel Ali Metro Station. So, mag-transfer na from here to another line papunta ng ID and Metro Station. Dahil ito yung transfer bus going to Abu Dhabi International Airport. Azerbaijan.
Sige, pasok sa break.
Testified mga almost 1 a.m. na. And we are just waiting for the ticket counter na mag-open para makapag-check-in na kami. So while waiting, yes, para di kami maboard, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami sa airport. We will be flying pala to Baku, Azerbaijan, mga ka-Nestify, via Wizz Air. So, we have tried to fly Wizz Air for how many times na. And yes, satisfied naman kami sa service. And they're always on time. Yun ang importante sa lahat. And syempre, yung smooth ang pag-take off at pag-landing ng pilot. And mga friendly naman yung mga crew nila. So, good job ang Wizz Air.
Saan punta niyo, girls? Saan dun?
Ano? Finally, mga ka-Nestified, nakapila na kami para sa pag-check-in. And yes, praise God, no hassle with our baggage. Hindi kami nag-over-baggage. And this is it. Yes, we are coming to Baku, Azerbaijan.
Ako nga, tingnan ko.
So once again, it's waiting time. Yes, ganito talaga pag nag-travel. So you have to be patient to wait. So while waiting for our gate to open, kumain muna kami sa McDo Airport. So then after that, nag-proceed na kami sa aming boarding gate.
Punta na kami sa aming gate.
So, as you can see, mga ka-Nestified, we're going to our gate na, boarding gate. So, gate number 5. Yan. So, that's it. So excited kami to fly na to Baku.
We are at Abu Dhabi International Airport. And papunta na kami sa aming gate.
So by this time, mga ka-Nestified, almost 5 a.m. na. Ang aming take off will be 6 a.m. So here we are, papunta na. Yes, punta na kami sa ating at medyo mahaba-habang lakaran. So pababa pa kami again sa escalator. Ayan, mga ka-Nestified, we praise God and thanking Him for giving us the strength dahil from before the other night, 10 a.m. kami, 10 p.m. kami nag-start travel from metro, then nag-taxi kami, nakaabot kami diri mga 1 a.m. Then again, waiting time. So, this is it. 6 a.m. Pag-fly na kami. So, ayan. So, pumupila na kami going to the shuttle bus. Okay, makacheck in. Ayan, so we are going out, checking the boarding pass, palabas, and we're going to use the shuttle bus papunta ng airplane. Yes, we
we're looking for our seat number, designated seat number. So ako sa window side, and praise God, makikita ko yung clouds and yun nga, mga view outside ng plane while traveling. Okay, by this time, mga ka-Nestify, there will be part 2 of this travel vlog papuntang Baguio while we fly through this air. So hopefully, you can enjoy this video sa aming pag-travel. Very excited kami papunta ng Baguio. So yes, yeah, mga ka-Nestify, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.
Or carry-on items including handbags, backpacks, duty-free bags under the seat in front of you, and only large trolley bags forward. Assure the passengers to take your assigned seat as soon as possible and do not block the aisle for the other boarding passengers behind you. Thank you for your attention.
So see you on my next video, mga ka-Nestify. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless everyone!